All right. So let's start with the first question that I have for you. You have improved a lot in the past 2-3 months. Okay. So now what do you think about your journey? What do you think? Have you improved? What were the challenges
Yes.
you used to face?
First, my pronunciation was not good, so I keep practice all my words which not cannot speak. So I will practice, continue, and now my journey is very good.
Okay. And do you feel confident when you speak now?
Yeah. I feel very confident now.
Great. Okay. Now tell me two of your strengths and one weakness. Two strength and one weakness.
My weakness is now जो मतलब अभी की या क्लासेस स्टार्ट होने के पहले
Whatever comes to your mind.
now my strength is I feel good. I feel confident in front of people. Speak. I speak very not very, but
have improved.
now improve. And my weakness is I'm not good for pronunciations, so I will try correct pronounce all words.
I told you what you have to do. Okay.
Yeah.
So that you can do on your level. You don't need any class for that. You can just keep on doing, and that is non-stop process. That will be there lifelong. Even I practice some words which are new to me, so that's okay. Don't worry about it. You are good enough to express yourself, and I'm sure you will improve. So just chill about it. Okay. So, what are your plans? How are you going to keep your son busy during summer vacation? It's a big all of us.
It's very big challenge. Actually, Yash summer vacation started 16 July, 16 March. So I'm very scared to how to handle and how busy for all 2 months. So I will think I started his class, drawing class, then swimming and skating. So
that is sufficient, I think.
that is sufficient for he visit all day, whole day.
Right. So, for how many hours does he watch TV?
2-3 hours.
2-3 hours. Does he sleep in the afternoon?
No, he doesn't.
Do you take nap in the afternoon?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then it's good. Then you both can enjoy which he does.
Yeah. He came back to home and tell me all stories how to play and what he doing in clubhouse and
what he has done,
what
how
he
he
has
played.
done. Yeah, he has me all.
Okay, great. Okay, we have a little guest here.
Okay.
Krisha's brother. Actually, this room.
Vansh.
Yes. In this room, Mithu's toys are kept. So he just
Yeah,
enter and he directly go to that corner to play. Okay, great. Now I have one more question for you. What do you think? Why housewives are so hesitant when it comes to learning any new skill? When it comes to go for exercise class, going for exercise class. When it comes to learning English. When it comes to learning any course, computer, anything. I have seen housewives are very hesitant. What do you think? What can be the reason? What do you think?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of hesitate?
Jijak.
Jijak. Uh, Ma'am, main reason is confidence. So I think
They
he
lack.
will not. He will be not confident to express for all express to in publicly. Yeah, I think the main reason is confidence.
I'm going to give you some topic, okay? So now you have to speak for a minute. You can think. We will take some time.
Points.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Cupboard. It use for storing things. Like that's like In bedroom cupboards is used for store cloths, warm cloths, then put socks and some other things. I have two cupboards, one for my and another is my son and my husband. I have not sufficient one cupboard, so I put my some clothes in my husband.
I'm not surprised. Okay, I also did that. So that's okay.
And a kitchen cupboard is used for store a jar, like cup and all many things you can keep in cupboard. And cupboard is also used in bathroom. I keep soap, shampoo, and Dettol, like that. So cupboard is very important to store all things and matlab, oh, and hide to all things, not in messy to your kitchen and bedroom. So very useful for all housewife and
All purposes.
all all.
Good. Uh, I have a question for you now, Ruchi. Since you started from beginning, I want you to tell me what do you think is grammar important to learn English as a beginner, as a housewife? What are your opinion? Do you think grammar is important? Little bit of grammar is
A
important.
little bit, not much, but some how what are you used for past, which word to use, and in future what will you use. So little bit grammar
Important.
important.
Great. What are you going to learn after you finish these classes? Any other skills have you planned to learn in future? What do you want?
That time I nothing to plan, but I will plan some courses. Yeah, will join in school.
Great. Have you done B.Ed or something?
No, I'm done BC, Bachelor of Computer.
Oh, great. So you must be good with computers?
Yeah, but now
But
I forget all things. So, but I will practice and teach new things, and I build up my confidence how to use the Excel and how to presentation will make, and that I teach all things.
okay, great.